In this video we will talk about floor gymnastics, scoring and rules. In women artistic gymnastics, floor exercise routines last up to 90 seconds. The routine is choreographed in advance and is composed of acrobatic and dance elements. This event, above all others, allows the gymnast to express her personality through her dance and musical style. The moves that are choreographed in the routine must be precise, in sync with the music and very entertaining. At the international elite level competition, the composition of the routine is decided by the gymnast and her coaches. Many gymnasiums and national federations hire special choreographers to design routines for their gymnasts. Well-known gymnastics choreographies include Lisa Luke from the United States, Adriana Pop from Romania, France and China, Nancy Roche in the United States, and Geza Posar from Romania and the United States. Others opt to choreograph their floor routines in-house. Some gymnasts adopt a new floor exercise every year. Others keep the same routine for several competitive seasons. It is not uncommon for coaches to modify a routine's composition between meets, especially if it's used for an extended length of time. It is uncommon for gymnasts to use more than one different floor routine in the same season, but it is not entirely unheard of, like as the 1996 Summer Olympics in Atlanta, for instance. Russia Dina Podchekova's routine in the floor exercise event final had completely different music, choreography and composition than that of her all-around exercise. The music used for the routines is also the choice of the gymnast and her coaches. It may be any known musical style and played with any instruments, but it may not include spoken words or song lyrics of any kind. Vocalization is allowed if the voice is purely done as an instrument. It is the responsibility of the coach to bring the music to every competition on a CD. Scores are based on difficulty, artistry, demonstration of required elements and overall performance quality. Deductions are taken for poor form and execution, lack of required elements and faults. The gymnast is expected to use the entire floor area for her routine and to tumble from one corner of the mat to the other. Steps outside the designated perimeters of the floor incur deductions. The gymnast will also incur a deduction if there are lyrics in the music. Routines can include up to 4 tumbling lines and several dance elements, turns and leaps. A floor routine must consist of at least connection of 2 dance elements. One must be a 180 degrees split, saltos forward, sideways and backwards, double saltos, saltos with minimum of 1 full twist. In the men's artistic gymnastics, a floor exercise for men is made up of mostly acrobatic elements combined with other gymnastic elements of strength and balance, flexibility and handstands. The routine must be choreographed performing a harmonious rhythmic exercise using the whole floor area. The whole routine may last no longer than 70 seconds. As with other gymnastic events, scores are based on difficulty from an overall performance quality. Deductions are taken for lack of flexibility, not using the whole floor area, pausing before tumbling lines, and using the same diagonal more than twice. Handstand skills must display control and show gymnasts' intent clearly. International level routines. A floor routine should contain at least one element from all element groups. Number 1, non-acrobatic elements. Number 2, acrobatic elements forward. Number 3, acrobatics element backwards and Arabian elements. The dismount can come from any element group other than group 1. Floor exercise in rhythmic gymnastics. Floor exercises is a category also in the rhythmic gymnastics, but it considers only the youngest gymnasts, up to 10 years old, who perform their routines freehand, which means without any apparatus, in contrary to the remaining 5 rope, hoop, ball, clubs and ribbon. Their length and content is still clearly specified and differs in each age category. Well, that's all for this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.